So we got a package from A-Coolie. Ayan po siya. Kakaiba yung design niya. Check natin guys. Alright, so this is the A-Coolie fan. Uy, ang compact niya. And then meron siyang portable handheld fan as well. And we have the portable handheld fan again. So they also have a wipes. And they have this dust bag. This turbo fan can last up to 24 hours of continuous usage. So check natin yung quality. Kung maganda ba talaga si A-Coolie turbo fan, no? Compact naman ito. Ang ganda ah. Oh, ang galing! So ito siya. Pag binuksan mo, automatically, ayun. Galing ah. May speed pa. Okay. May button siya sa likod. Ito yung power charger niya. Pag binuksan mo siya, again, that's it. And next, we have the Halo 2. As you can see here. Napaka-compact niya. Honestly, yung quality niya maganda siya. And then, pinutin mo lang. Fair enough. 490 pesos also. And next, we have the A-Coolie Aero Fan Pro, guys. This is 1,490 pesos. Ito na yung pinaka-flagship nila as far as I know. It has a metal body. You can see here, guys. Napakaganda talaga niya. And this has a 6-speed fan. So, press na natin siya dito. It has a LED display as well. Nandiyan na rin yung battery indicator. So, P4 pinakamalakas niya. Plus, pag tinoggle on mo itong nasa likod, which is here, mas lalo pa siyang bibilis. May high 1, plus may high 2 pa siya. Thank you for A-Coolie Fan for sending us this. Thank you, Digital Walker. So, kung naghanap ka ng ganito, check mo lang yung shop nila. Thank you so much. Peace out.